Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kalen from White Glove Models and welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to talk about the Pyro Bugatti Grand Prix race car. This came to me, I ordered it I think on eBay and I can't remember what I paid for it. It wasn't a whole lot, but the serial number is C303-50 and it's just a Bugatti GP race car, and it's hard to tell when this was actually produced, but it says made in the USA, litho in USA, and I haven't really done too much research on it because it's hard to find any information on them. So I don't know when this was produced or when it came out. I'm assuming it is an older model kit. But my question to you is it something that I should build, or should I just leave it as is and keep it in my stash and just, as something fun to look at? Because to be honest, it would be a lot of fun to build this kit. I just don't know if it's something that I should do just based on how old it is or whatnot. And for those of you more experienced builders out there or people that know these kits, please let me know what your take is on it and what your opinion is as to whether or not it's something I should just kind of hang on to and enjoy as a original kit. If it is, I don't know. I don't know if it is or not. But let me know. And if it's something that I should put together, because this would be a ton of fun to put together. I haven't ever opened it up because it's in this really old cellophane. It's got a little bit of damage right there where the cellophane is old and crinkled and kind of ripped up. But do I preserve this and keep it as a keepsake, or do I build it? Thank you so much for watching, and let me know, and I'll see you next time.